Automatic transmissions are not fun. Sino nagsabi? Well guys, in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang 5 fun sports cars that only come with an automatic transmission. Coming up. What's going on guys? Matt here with another video. And if you are new to my channel, I make videos and guides for car enthusiasts. So make sure na mag-subscribe ka na para wala kang mamiss sa mga uploads ko. Anyway guys, alam ko naman as a car enthusiast, mas prefer natin ang mga manuals. Pero guys, times are changing and automatics are getting so much better. And don't get me wrong, I still love manuals. You know, shifting through them gears, not letting the computer do it. But guys, I don't care what you say. Mas mabilis pa rin mag-shift ang mga automatics ngayon kaysa sa'yo. Sa akin din, aminado ako dun. So kailangan din natin makisabay sa panahon ngayon. And just because automatic ang isang kotse doesn't mean it's any less fun. So ito ang 5 sports cars that only come with an automatic transmission. Well, at least in the Philippines anyway. Okay guys, let's start this list with the controversial A90 Toyota Gr Supra. Ang anak ng Mark IV Supra at ng BMW Z4, the A90 Supra. BMW and Toyota co-developed this car using the Z4 platform. The A90 Supra comes with a 3-liter twin-scroll turbocharged straight 6, producing 335 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. And yes, guys, it's got a BMW engine. Alam ko marami pa rin ang magsasabi na dapat a more modern 2JZ ang makina nito. Kasi yun nga yung makina ng Mark IV Supra eh. Or dapat si Toyota na lang ang nag-develop ng engine mag-isa. Well guys, hindi na bago ang pag-collab ng Toyota sa iba't ibang manufacturers. For example, sa GT86 with the Subaru. Pero guys, alam nyo ba na in-inspect muna ni Toyota ang makina na pinopose ni BMW for the new A90 Supra. They inspected the engine bolt by bolt and over time, umasa na din siya sa reliability standards ni Toyota. And if it's good enough for Toyota, it's good enough for me. And if Toyota produced the new Supra all by themselves, mas magiging mahal ang presyo ng A90 Supra. Parang yung GT86, kaya nga merong BRZ din eh. So it just makes sense na ginawa nila itong collaboration with BMW. This is such a good car guys pag din-drive mo to sa back roads because of its 50-50 weight distribution. And like I said earlier guys, the A90 Supra only comes with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Oh my god guys, wala akong pake kung automatic itong A90 Supra na to. I want this car so bad. So guys, mag-subscribe na kayo para makabili na tayo nito. Nissan R35 Gtr. Si Godzilla. Ito ang kotse na dinrive ni Paul Walker sa ilalim ng truck.
What are you doing?
Going old school.
Anyway guys, alam niyo naman na legendary itong kotse na to when it comes to the JDM scene. Because it's a GTR, duh. Popular ito sa mga car enthusiasts like us because of its racing heritage and also because of the Fast and Furious movies and because of the late Paul Walker. At ito pa guys, with its all-wheel drive 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, kayang-kaya nito sumibak ng mga sports cars and for half the price of a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. Kaya kung makakita ka neto sa kalsada guys, kung talagang car enthusiast ka, di mo mapipigilan na tumili na parang babae na pinapakilig ng crush niya. So how much power does this car make? Well, it produces 565 horsepower and 633 Nm of torque. And it comes with a 6-speed automatic dual clutch transmission with paddle shifters. Nissan 370Z Nismo. Yes guys, one of my favorite cars again. Actually guys, you can get a manual 370Z with the premium variant. But yung Nismo na variant, it only comes with an automatic transmission in the Philippines. I just wish they offered it with the manual option. Obviously dito sa Pilipinas. Anyway, ito ang kapatid ng GTR. The Nissan 370 Nismo, and yes, this belongs to the Z family of Nissan. Pero I just wish na ginawa nilang mas modern yung interior. Kasi since 2008 when this car first came out, walang masyadong nagbago. It's very analog compared sa ibang kotse with the same price range. Pero obviously guys, you buy this car not because of fancy gadgets. You buy this car because of its beastly 3.7-liter V6 that cranks out 339 horsepower and 375 Nm of torque. Also guys, this is a perfect drift car because it's rear-wheel drive. Chevy Camaro, also known as Bumblebee. Kung massive fan ka ng Transformers, siguro alam mo tong kotse na to. At dahil nasa Transformers siya, kahit hindi car enthusiast, alam din itong kotse na to. Although 2-liter lang ang makina niya, alam ko guys maliit yung compared sa ibang muscle cars dyan like the Mustang GT with its 5.0 liter. Pero wag mong iisip mo na ang Camaro because ang 2-liter nito ay turbocharged. Sa naka-turbo astig. Ang inline 4 ng Camaro produces 275 horsepower and 389 Nm of torque. Of course, this is connected to an 8-speed automatic with again paddle shifters. So guys, if you really want to get into American muscle cars, this is a good car to start with. Lexus Rcf. Coming from Lexus's RC lineup, the Lexus Rcf is one of the most stylish two-door Lexuses you can get. I absolutely adore this car because of the way it looks. Its sharp headlights and body curves, you will actually turn heads when you're driving this car around Metro Manila. Guys, this is a Japanese muscle car. And what's there not to like about the RCF? Also, this car comes with an 8-speed automatic with manual mode, aka paddle shifters. There is actually the RCF Track Edition which looks like it's already modified from factory. Pero hindi lang ako sure if you can get the Track Edition yet in the Philippines. Anyway, if you want a more grown-up, elegant yet sporty car, punta ka na sa Lexus and grab yourself an RCF. And guys, there you have it, 5 sports cars that only come with an automatic transmission. But just because hindi manual ang isang kotse doesn't mean it's not fun. Pero guys, seryoso ako subscribe na kayo para makabili na tayo ng A90 Supra. Parang nagiging desperado na ako Anyway guys, since marami din sa inyo ang manual drivers, baka hindi mo din na-drive ng tama ang manual car mo. Panoorin mo tong video na to para malaman mo naman kung anong mga bagay ba ang hindi dapat gawin in a manual car. And with that being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you sa next video.